How to download REDnote app on Android or iPhone. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the REDnote app on your device. Without further ado, let's learn how to download this popular alternative to TikTok. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom. Next, tap on the search bar. Type in REDnote and search for it. Select the first search result for REDnote app. Tap on the install button. The REDnote app will start downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, tap the open button to launch the REDnote app. Give all the necessary permissions for the app to function properly. Then, log into your account if you already have one, or sign up for a new account. After that, you will be all set to use the REDnote app. And boom! You have successfully learned how to download and install the REDnote app on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.